How to change language on Twitch. So first and foremost is you go to your desktop and open your browser, and for me I used Chrome here. Now the next thing that you're gonna do is tap on twitch.tv and basically open your Twitch account. Now here, as you can see, I've already opened my Twitch account. Now on the right side here, you will see your profile icon there, right? Now if you click on that, you will see these options. Now on the bottom part here, you'll see these. You'll see language, and if you click on that, you will now be given a lot of different languages that you prefer your Twitch to be. So currently it's set on English, right? So let's say you want to set it on Spanish or Espanol here, and as you can see, it will automatically change the language to whatever you preferred it to be. So for this case, it's currently set on Spanish. Now, if you want to go back to English, just do the same process. And as you can see, it's now back to English. And basically, that is it. And that is how you change language on Twitch. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.